Hi guys, my name is Kamari and I will be teaching you the 6 methods of factoring. The first method of factoring is GCF. GCF stands for the greatest common factor. An example of a problem where you can use this method is 15a plus 12b plus 6c. The first thing you would do when you look at this problem is to find the greatest number that all of the coefficients can go into equally. Take that number out of the equation. Whatever you have left, keep in parentheses. The next method is the difference of two squares. An example where you can use the difference of two squares is x squared plus 9x. Looking at the only number in the problem, which is 9, find two numbers that are exactly the same that multiply into 9 evenly. In other words, 9 is a perfect square. In this case, those two numbers are positive 3 and negative 3. You will always have a negative and positive binomial as your answer in the end of each of your problems. The next method is the difference of two cubes. The formula for solving this problem is the quantity of a minus b times the quantity of a squared plus ab plus b squared. When you have a difference of two cubes, both numbers in the equation that are being subtracted have to be perfect cubes. For example, in the equation 64x to the 6 minus 27, both 64 and 27 are perfect cubes. Factor both numbers and variables to get the final answer of 4x squared minus 3 times 16x to the 4th plus 12x squared plus 9. The next method is the sum of two cubes. This method is exactly the same as the difference of two cubes, but with an addition sign, and the formula is slightly different. The formula is the quantity of a plus b times the quantity of a squared minus ab plus b squared. The next method is general trinomial factoring. For general trinomial factoring, the formula is ax squared plus bx plus c. The first thing you would do is look at c. Find the two numbers that will add together to give the middle coefficient, but will multiply to c. The end result will give you two binomials. Simplify these binomials if necessary. For example, x squared plus 5x plus 4 equals x plus 1 times x plus 4. The last method is grouping. When grouping, you use four terms. The formula for grouping is ax plus bx plus ay plus by equals x times the quantity of a plus b plus y times the quantity of a plus b equals the quantity of ab times the quantity of x plus y. An example of a grouping problem would be 36ab plus 18a plus 12b plus 6. Split the equation into two. Simplify each number and add the two equations together. 6a times the quantity of 6b plus 3 plus 2 times the quantity of 6b plus 3. The two numbers in the parentheses should be the same. Separate the numbers that are inside the parentheses and outside of the parentheses. 6a plus 2 times 6b plus 3. This is your final answer. I hope you guys enjoyed my tutorial. I know you guys are probably wondering, how am I going to use factoring in the real world? The way factoring is used in the real world is by bond trading and mortgage calculations. I hope you guys enjoyed my tutorial and learned a lot from my video.